here the T1 sagittal images, and look here. Hello everyone, I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you very important topics: MRI of lumbar spine and with screening whole spine, how to scan. First of all, you can see here protocol at first now. This is scout, another name localizer. First now I apply first. This is the scout. Okay. Now I just waiting for low resolution image and look at the time. Yeah. Look here. Scanning. Okay. Okay. Now first localizer image showing here. This is axial, this is sagittal, another is coronal, and the second localizer, dorsal spine localizer, now running, and this is another is lumbar spine localizer, and just wait and look here. This is the thoracic spine. Okay, axial image, coronal and sagittal, and another is coronal images. Both are localizer images. When the localizer is complete, now I nicely set up the planning and look here the protocol and okay. Now finally showing here the whole spine localizer. Axial, this is sagittal, another is coronal images. Now I confirm, apply. Okay, now I planning with T2 has coronal myelo. So myelo planning will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here and look at the protocol and look at the parameters. Now I apply. Now another is T2 has sagittal myelo. So sagittal myelo planning will be on the coronal and axial images. Look here. Now I nicely set up the planning, then apply. Okay, now the next plan, T2 TSC sagittal, CS. CS means cervical spine. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here. Okay. Now this is saturation band. Okay, each and everything fine. Okay, look at the parameters. Yeah, look at the protocol. Now everything is fine. Now apply. Now the next T2 TSC sagittal DS. DS means also dorsal spine or thoracic spine. Look here. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here. Is and everything now fine. Okay. And showing here the parameters. Yeah, now apply. Okay, now the next plan T2 TSC sagittal LS. LS means lumbosacral spine. Look here, the lumbar 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is another. Okay, now I nicely set up the planning. Look here, following anatomy and physiology, and look here the parameters. Is and everything is nice, fine, and look at the myelo image, sagittal. This is myelo sagittal images, and look here, and there is coronal images. This and everything now is fine, and set up the saturation band. Now apply. Now the next T2 TSC sagittal, just open protocol and now copy parameter, slice and saturation, and okay. And look here the image. This is T2 cervical region image. Now atlas axis 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Now here. Look here. Okay. And now next protocol running. Look at the time here, showing here. And look at the image. This is dorsal region sagittal image. T2 sagittal. Look here. There is spinal cord. Yeah. Now running T2 TSC sagittal LS means lumbar spine protocol, showing at the time. Okay, now another T1, T2 sagittal here. Okay, now the next protocol T2 TSC transverse. So transverse means axial plane will be on the sagittal and axial coronal images. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look here, look here, look here. Okay, this is the main problem, this patient. Okay, now I nicely set up the planning. Okay. Showing here the parameter. Yeah. Now set up the saturation burn. Yeah, and everything is fine. Now finally apply. And another is T1, just open protocol and copy parameters, price and saturation, okay. Now apply. This patient no need contrast. Okay, just delete the protocol. Yeah. Now planning is complete and look here the T1 sagittal images and look here, patient history, low back pain for 5 years and difficulty in walking. Yeah, look here, this is L5 and this is S1, L5 and 4 and 5. Look here. Showing here the image, full spine. Look here. Yeah. And this is T2 axial images. Showing here. Yeah. Look here.